Hey guys, let's do some math. Talking still about division, but we're going to relate multiplication and division. Did you know that they're related? Just like addition and subtraction are related, multiplication and division are related as well. We call them inverse operations. They're the opposite of each other. So if you'll get started with me in your packet, this is lesson 9-6. I want to do a few of these with you, not the whole thing, but let's look at a few of them together. Let me see if I can't make this. There we go. All right. I want to start with the box at the very top. It's already done for you, but I want to look at it as a sample. It says Pat has 3 boxes. Do you see Pat's 3 boxes right here? 1, 2, 3 boxes. There's Pat's 3 boxes. She's pointing at them right there. Then it says each box has 5 marbles inside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see 5 marbles in that first box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see 5 marbles in the second box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see 5 marbles in the third box. So I wonder, how many marbles does Pat have in all? Well, if there's 5 in this box, and there's 5 in this box, and there's 5 in this box, I could think 5 plus 5 plus 5, or I could even just do the multiples or counting by 5s. Count with me. 5, 10, 15. So I can put that whole amount in that little box at the top. That says there's 15 in all. So I could say, use this number sentence and say that 3 times 5 equals 15. That's what this is showing right now. But I could also turn it around because I know that related facts are going to give me the same answer or product. 5 times 3 is 15. But what I'm finding out today is it works the opposite of division. I could say 15, which is the whole amount, divided by 3, 1, 2, 3, equals 5, because there's 5 in each box. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Or I could say 15 divided by 5. If I did it into 5 boxes, it would give me 3. Do you notice how these are just like related facts that we do with addition and subtraction? Except it's using multiplication and division. They're using all the same numbers. In this case, 3, 5, and 15. And they're writing their multiplication or their division sentence as a true fact. If it's not true, it's not written correctly, then it can't be a member of the family. But it has to be using the same numbers and it has to be true. So let's check out some scenarios. It says Micah has 16 playing cards. She divides the cards into 2 equal groups. So we're going to fair share. Divide means fair share. How many cards are in each group? Well, 16 is how many cards she has. And we want to divide it, which means fair share, into 2 equal groups. The question is, how many are in each group? So I already know the total is 16. They gave me that. And now I'm going to fair share them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. If I fair share them, how many are in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in this group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in this group. That gives me 16 in all. I know that 16 divided into 2 equal groups equals 8 cards in each group. I could use related facts to know that 16 divided by 8 equals 2. Or I could turn it around for multiplication and say 8 times 2 equals 16. Or 2 times 8 equals 16. They're all related. Let's shoot for number 2 that says Ray has 4 bookshelves. Do you see 4 bookshelves here? 1, 2, 3, 4. He puts 4 books on each shelf. So I'm going to model 4 books on each shelf. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many books does Ray have in all? Well, if I have 4 on this one, and 4 on this one, and 4 on this one, and 4 on this one, how many do I have in all? Well, 4 and 4 is 8, and this 4 and 4 is 8, and if I put those together, that gives me a total of 16. The total goes up top. 16. So I could say 4 times 4 equals 16. If I wanted to turn that around, I could say 16 divided by 4 equals 4. Those are related. Now you've got a job to do. Oopsie. And that's to look at the back side and do the same thing. You're going to solve numbers 3, 4, 5, and then number 6. So let's just look at 3 right quick. Bo planted 2 gardens. There are 10 bushes in each garden. How many bushes did Bo plant? Let's take this box and divide it into 2 gardens. I need 2 gardens. Here's going to be 1. Here's going to be 1. And it tells us there are 10 bushes in each garden. So I need to draw in 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I need to draw 10 in each because it tells us there are 10 bushes in each garden. How many bushes did Bo plant in all? And I'm going to come write that number sentence. 2 gardens times 10 bushes in each garden gives us a total of how many in all? Well, 10 and 10 is 20 bushes in all. Complete numbers 4 and 5. But then I want you to look at number 6. Write a multiplication story for the strip diagram. Then write a number sentence to solve your story. Your story is going to be something like this. Where it said, let's see, I see 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. And then I see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in each box. So I might say, I have 4 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each friend has 7 popsicles. How many popsicles do we have in all? Because that would be 4 times 7, and I would know the total is 28 popsicles. Write a story using words, and then write a number sentence. For example, 4 times 7 equals 28. But you need to write a story to go along with it. You're going to do great. Can't wait to see them.